ARP cylinder head bolt kit small block Chevy P. N134-3601. Part number 1,343,601. Package weight 5.0 pounds. Fit type vehicle specific. ARP SB Chevy Hex head bolt kit. Top reviews from the United States. Yep, they're head bolts. I wish the protective coating they ship these with was a little less sticky. Kind of a pain to wash off. Other than that, does what it's meant to do. Comes with instructions, bolts, washers, and ARP lube. However, it would be nice if they included thread sealer since the head bolt holes go into water jackets.